Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Friday, January 24th, 2020. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. Celebrating a birthday today. We're going to go back and start actually on Wednesday, and then we'll get into today because we missed the video for a few days. Wednesday, happy birthday to Ivan and Giancarlo. Make sure you stop by my office and get your birthday presents. Yesterday, we celebrated Josue's birthday, and today we are celebrating Christian Hernandez Santos in 2nd grade. Tomorrow will be Byron Perez Navarro's birthday, and Sunday, Azucena Cruz in 3rd grade, and Bliss in 4th grade. I hope you guys have an amazing birthday weekend. Today we are focusing on Rattlers being responsible. Today I will own my own learning. I know a lot of you have some exams today. I want to ensure that you are giving that test your all, and even if you don't, you are 100% focused, and you have a book with you at all times. Some announcements for today are, today is Friday. You are going to go to your homeroom for a special town hall. You should be in your Friday uniform. That means you have jeans that have no rips, and or your uniform pants. You're either wearing your polo or a college t-shirt or sweatshirt. If you do not have your uniform on, that means that you are dressed like a 100-year-old person. And that is okay today. Please check the lost and found. We have quite a few jackets. If you are taking an exam today, good luck. And just don't forget that next Friday is our Winter Wonderland dance that's put on by our 2nd and 5th grade. Thank you for being at school today. And yesterday we hit attendance. We are very, very proud of that. Hopefully we hit it again today. Make sure you are always on time, dressed appropriately, and you stay healthy by eating healthy foods and going to bed early. Our attendance challenge raffle is today. So as long as you've been here at least 4 days this past week, you are entered in the raffle. Good luck. And today I am so excited to see the pictures of you all dressed like you're 100 years old. So have fun today, and I'm so excited to say you guys are 100 days smarter. I would like to shout out our Royal Readers in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. If you see your name up on the board, please stand up or wave your hands in your homeroom, and let's give them an amazing round of applause. It is not easy, and we are so excited that you guys met this goal. Also, congratulations to our newest Royal Reader, Nevaeh Hernandez. So proud of you, and I hope you guys enjoyed your party. Another reminder for the Winter Wonderland dance, it is not today, but it is next Friday from 5 to 7. Tell your families so that you can make sure you can stay, and it costs $1 to get in, and tickets will be sold for food and drinks, etc. They will have nachos, hot chocolate, and other drinks for sale, and the first 100 students in the door get a free Kona Ice snow cone. Cannot wait to see you there. So far, no one has won the re-registration competition. So, make sure that your parents are completing their registration forms. The first homeroom in each grade level to reach 100% wins a pizza party, and the first grade level per school, so you, like in our whole school, gets an ice cream party and free dress. Let's make sure that we are checking off the correct students for our end of day snack. And please reach out to me if you have some special ideas for next month, which is Black History Month. Please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Ready? And Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a fabulous Friday, and remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call the parents of students that are out and message the ADA GroupMe. Have a wonderful weekend.